Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you split clip in Premiere Pro. So guys, let's just take a video or photo here. Like take this, and after that just select where you need to split it. It's like from here, and after that you need to click on this tool which is called razor tool and cut it here and select where you need to cut from. Just like I want to cut this clip, and click on the razor tool again and cut it from here. Now let's just cut this piece. Click on it and click on delete and make this gap delete also. And as you can see, the clip is here. Like this. You can also cut any of this clip like from anywhere you want. Just click on this razor tool and cut it like as you like, as many as you like. You can also select this razor tool if you click on C. As you can see, beside razor tool there is C, which means if you click on C from your keyboard, the razor tool will be selected like this, as you can see. So guys, that's how you can split clip in Premiere Pro. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.